Then you can take a step up, Warren, and what we talked about earlier is the larger tablets, the open Windows platform where you can potentially download some OE software or some of your own company software and have tablets that are more built like laptop PCs. So we have our Axone Plus tablet, which goes at $6,600, so $6,600. That also comes with the MultiHub VCI, a very, very popular tool for the ADAS calibration accompaniment. And then if you want to take it a step further, you have our Axone Voice, which is our that's kind of our flagship. That has about 512 gigs of storage. So it's like your Toughbooks and your PCs. They're loaded with a lot of different things out in the field. That package steps up to about $9,300, and that includes the free Supercar upgrade. So Supercar, to have those exotics, the Ferraris, the Lamborghinis, the McLarens, the Rolls Royces that we talked about earlier, that's a one-time $1,500 upgrade. So with the voice package, we're going to give you that $1,500 upgrade for free. So that's a very powerful package in the automotive world if you're going to be doing those exotic cars.